we have two decimal numbers and we have to do multiplication. So how we do this? First we have to write them in vertical columns. We have multiplication, so it doesn't matter if you multiply 0.15 times 0.4 or 0.4 times 0.15. It doesn't matter. In my opinion, it's good to write at the top 0.15, and at the second row we will have 0.4 only. And what is very important, when we have multiplication, we don't have to align decimal points. We just start to write the decimal numbers from the right and to the left. So we have 0.15 and on the second row we have 0.4. We have to keep 5 and 4 in the second one column and 1 and 0 in the second column. And next, how we do multiplication? The same like we multiply whole numbers. First we have to multiply, it means we have to multiply every number in the first row by 4 first and every number in the first row by 0. So we start from the right side and we are going to the left. 4 times 5 is 20, so we have to write 0 and 2 will go to next column. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 2 is 6. So we have to write 6 in the same column, and next we have 4 times 0 is 0. So we can write 0 or you don't have to. And now we have to multiply every digit in the first, every number in the first row by 0. But when we multiply times 0, 0 times 5 will be 0, 0 times 1 will be 0, so we don't have to do this. Next step, very important, is to count how many decimal places we have in our factors. In first decimal number, decimal places, so we have to count the digits after decimal point. 1, 2, and in the second decimal number we have 1 digit after decimal point, so this is 1 decimal place. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So we have to count 3 decimal places in our solution. We start from the right side and we are going to the left. 1, 2, 3. So the decimal point will be before 0. So our solution would be 0, decimal point 0, 6. We don't have to write 0 at the end, or you can add 0 before decimal point 0, decimal point 0, 6. Both solutions are the same. It doesn't matter if you write this or that. The solution is correct.